In this video, I will show you how to log in Commonwealth online banking step by step. So if you want to log in, follow me on this video. Go to Google, search for Commonwealth Bank, and then click the first result here. This is the bank, CommBank Australia. And then click, you will see this page. When you click this one, you will see official page. Click login option. When you click login, you have net bank, you have Commonwealth Bank. Choose any bank that you have. Click this one if you have this bank, net bank. So guys, from this one, you will see Commonwealth Bank. Write your client number and write your password. For example, this is your client number, and then write your password. After that, choose a login option. So choose login option. If you forget your login details, click I forget my login details. And then you will see this option. Write your card numbers and card PIN to get your to back your username and your details login. So guys, this is for app. If you want to log in your app, just download this app on Google Play or App Store. If you have a Android or iOS system, just download this app from official website or from Google Play if you have a Google Play. When you download this app, for example, App Store, when you download this app, you can log in with your all details, such this one. So just forget client number and password. Just download this app from here. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.